Hi Jiwei, I'm going to make a video set of comments on your draft of shyness because I can't use the grading tools very effectively in on a PDF or JPEG like this. Okay, so first of all, up here on your final, I would like you to put a header, your name, the date, etc. All the instructions are on Writing Test 1 assignment sheet. And then here, you are not using the format for a topic sentence that I ask people to use, and I'm going to attach a document to the grade book when I send you a note saying I have comments for you that explains how you have to cite your full source in the topic sentence, and it gives 3 models for doing that, okay? You can cut out "I understand that." It is understood that you understand. So you just go right into your main idea. And the main idea is that shyness is a common social phenomenon caused by congenital reasons and environmental factors. So you can cut out the "I understand that." Okay? Cut out this line as well. This paper makes full use, okay? And in the instructions, I am asking for 1 paragraph. So take out your paragraph breaks here. Okay, so on the one hand, some people are born shy. The article illustrates that shy children are naturally sensitive to the things and sounds around them, which are manifested by increased heart rate and excessive crying. At the same time, genes also play a role. Okay, so this, at the same time, genes also play a role, doesn't make sense because if you are born shy, this is genetic. Okay, this is genes. So you can just cross out this line. Okay, good transition. However, natural shyness can be changed. Admittedly, family plays a significant role in children's shy character. For example, the relationship between children and their parents and single-parent families or parents are busy with their careers, children will feel, okay, you've lost control of this sentence, okay? So, for example, I think you want to say, the relationship between children and their parents, growing up in single-parent families or families where parents are busy with their careers, children, and say may feel, not always, because will feel indicates that they lack some social skills because of their lack of social experience, so that they will be shy. Okay. So what I'm talking about here is your sentence, like the items in your list are not of the same form, so the sentence just didn't make a lot of sense, okay? Good. The second reason is cultural factors. This paper lists the information of America, Japan, Taiwan, and is, Okay, so please cut out all of this, okay? I'd like you more generally, after cultural factors, you can just say something like, studies show that, shyness rates in different countries vary, which indicates that culture plays a role. Okay, something like that. Please do not take the time to paraphrase this long study. It's too much detail for, it's supposed to be 8 to 12 sentences. Okay, again, no paragraph here, but let's go. People, okay, I think you need finally, the development of technology is also affecting people's shy behavior. People rely too much on the convenience brought by the development of science and technology. And, okay, your verb tense here, let's see, I think it should be, well, it's okay because you're just saying it as a fact. I would say may become, again, I'd like you to use modals because this sounds like it always happens. Okay. Okay, no paragraph, but it also has some positive. This paper lists 3 advantages. Okay, if you can cut this down a little bit, because you're only supposed to write 8 to 12 sentences, and there's a reason for that. Okay, and then not as far as I'm concerned, because this is an opinion, and we have no opinions in a summary. Okay. Yeah, this is all an opinion. All right. So you need to just summarize in one sentence the conclusion of paragraph 8. And basically all that it does is it repeats the thesis, which is that, there are 2 main causes, biological and environmental. Okay. So again, no opinions in a summary. All right. I'm sorry this was so long. I hope it was clear.